All right, while they queue up that body camera footage, let's bring back in Michael Jaafar, who was watching this. Michael, right now we are talking about the nuts and bolts. What happened, how it happened, what state the child was in. But will we need an expert to talk about what causes this, what leads to this? I'm thinking about another case that was in Georgia, the Justin Ross Harris case, where they brought in Dr. David Diamond, who talked about forgotten baby syndrome. And he had studies from 2014, a Safe Kids study that said that 25% of parents at some point forget their child inside of the car, especially when it's not their regular routine, as we have here. Do you expect we're going to see an expert like this, in a case like this?
That's a great point. I think that would absolutely be necessary. I mean, if you ask my wife, she'll tell you the biggest thing that annoys her is sometimes I leave my kids in the car. I didn't even know that there was a syndrome called that. So I would, if I was a jury, I would want to hear about it, because presumably any one of the members of this jury either have left a kid in a car or have known somebody that left a kid in the car. I don't know if that witness or expert would be helpful to the state. I think it might be helpful to the defense, but at the end of the day, I think that would absolutely shed light on her conduct, because at the end of the day, this is the second time she did it. I know the jury's not going to hear about the fact that her other grandson drowned, but this is big, by the way, and because I always say that juries gravitate towards the inflammatory.